Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Google Classroom account. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, open your browser and then go to classroom.google.com, and then after that, make sure that your account is logged into it. And then once you're done, click on your profile. You can see it on the upper right side of your screen. And then here, click Manage your Google account. And then here, you want to click Data and Privacy. You can see it on the left side of your screen. And then after that, you just want to scroll down until you see this More Options section. Then here, you can see Delete your Google account. So click on that. And then here, you just want or need to type your password. Then click Next. I'm sorry. Then here, so please read this carefully. It is not usual, yada yada. So you can just read this. So this is all the content that will be deleted. And then here, click Check and check. Then click Delete account. Then click Continue. Then if you want to recover your account, just click Recover your account. Then there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.